Hi friend, I hope you are fine. Today I have two different design of animation flare templates, and these files are in APS and second raw AI files. So first I show you, these files have three different color and you see design, and the second file is APS2, and same these file is different color, you can see here. So first I drag this file on Adobe Illustrator. I have Adobe Illustrator version of CC 2018, and you see here in layer area every shape have a layer, so you can change, edit, or you can do easily anything. So first I change this image or delete, open any other photo. For example, I open this file, okay, and drag on here. I close this file, okay, and you layer down. You can layer down or adjust. Okay, I have this type of picture. You can adjust picture of student or school, etc, or college if you want. Our school service you can, and you can adjust here your photo or your logo. Get up 70% of our school service. Our school has a high average environment to build their best friendship. So you can write your own detail or your school detail. For example, I select a recent font over Sheri School, cause I have no school. I tell you just for example. You can change color, you can change any other, you can write any other text. Select here, we built GOVT, sorry, GOVT HI school, sorry, Pindi set for etc. You can write anything, you can change any color. For example, you select here, double click here, and you select sky blue or any you select. You can do your logo text here, your sport in torch, your telephone number, your website. I know you can do easily. So these files are CM5K color. Okay, I close this file, and this file is same design, just change a color. And here is APS2. This design is too different. So first you see every shape have a layer, so you can change easily. So you can adjust your image here, you can change color, you can write anything. Same look here, you can delete, you can adjust your image. For example, okay, and for saving, export as, save as tab, PSD, AutoCAD, DMP, CSS, Flash, JPG, PNG. If you want, you can save it. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Love is